Hello and welcome to Legal Territory. So in this video we'll talk about MUNSIFF Magistrate at High Court of Kerala, and freshers can apply for this post, and we'll see the website today and how we can apply for this post. And there are, as usual, three procedures: step 1, step 2 and step 3 for applying in MUNSIFF Magistrate at High Court of Kerala. So I have made a video last year on the same topic, and I'll put that video for your reference as well. Also in this video I'll show you the link where it is available and how you can apply for the High Court of Kerala's MUNSIFF Magistrate post. You can go to the notification sections in order to see whether the notification is available or not. So by clicking on the notification section, you will find the second link, which is related with MUNSIFF Magistrate, and you can view the notification by clicking on this icon. So this is the official notification, and as you can see, the pay scale is pretty good. It starts from 77,840 rupees till 1,28,000 rupees. So this is a good pay scale, and also you can see the number of vacancies in this notification as well. So scheduled tribes are mentioned and scheduled castes are also mentioned. OBC is also mentioned, and the regular vacancies are also mentioned in this recruitment form. So 56 vacancies are there, and there are two methods again: direct and indirect, that is direct and recruitment by transfer. So through direct method, the person needs some qualification, and those qualification are that this person should be a citizen of India. He should be a holder of degree of law by a recognized university, and that university must be recognized by the Bar Council of India. And also, the person shall not be more than 35 years of age as on first date of January 2023. And this person shall be of good character. And if there are some exemptions which are applicable in your case, you need to see whether you belong to any of the reserved categories, that is scheduled tribes, OBC, and scheduled caste. Also, the other thing is that you should be a person of sound health, and there are no body infirmities which renders a person unfit for the appointment of this job. So next we'll see what is recruitment by transfer. So no officer in the service shall be eligible for appointment as a municipal magistrate by transfer unless and until he or she is a holder of degree in a recognized bar council, university by recognized by Bar Council of India. So recruitment by transfer is the recruitment by by a method in which the already existing people get appointed. So in this video, I'll be covering about the freshers only, that is recruitment, direct recruitment, and all that step 1 and step 2 process has been mentioned in this PDF itself. However, we'll look into the syllabus. So for the prelims, the part A has Code of Civil Procedure, Indian Contract Act, Negotiable Instrument Act, Transfer of Property Act, Special Relief Act, Kerala Building Lease and Rent Control Act. Part B will have CRPC, I'm sorry. Part B has all the criminal laws, that is the CRPC, Indian Penal Code, Indian Evidence Act. Now part C has Constitution of India, Legal GK, Reasoning and Mental Ability. Mains has 4 papers, and all of them will be written, and each paper will have 100 marks. For Viva was you have to be cover the 50 marks criteria at least, and the fixation has been given for different categories, so you can look those categories over here. Now for the mains written examination, there are 4 papers and their syllabus has been given over here, so you can take a screenshot of that syllabus from the video itself, or otherwise you can look for the notification stating about the last date, that is 17th of March 2023 is the last date for step 2 process as per the notification. However, it was mentioned as 3rd of March 2023 for payment of fee on the main dashboard. So just look into this matter. Otherwise, try to finish your work by 3rd of March 2023. So this would be my suggestion. So firstly, we'll click on this icon in order to see the next page. So there are some guidelines. You need to check these guidelines before applying. So keep a valid mobile number and a valid email ID before applying for this post. And all other things are specified in this guidelines application as well. So now we'll see what all is required. Firstly, step 1, you have to complete it by this date. Step 2, you will finish by this date, and fee payment will be done. till 3rd of March 2023. So ultimately step 2 and step 3, that is fee payment, can be done till 3rd of March only. So these are all the things that are required in every step. So everything is given in the detail, and by clicking on I agree button, you can proceed for filling the form. But before that, if you want to read the advertisement, you can go back to the previous page and read the advertisement from there itself. And everything is available on this page. So how to apply, you can click on this button in order to see. Then for guidelines and guidelines for photo and signature, you can click on this link. For other FAQs and sample application form and downloads, in the how to apply section, if you click on that, you'll find a document and you can save that document. So open that document and you'll know how you can apply for this application form. So the entire method has been given, and the size of photo and signature has been mentioned in this PDF itself. So accumulating your size of photo, you can fill this form. And the entire process of step 1 and step 2 has been mentioned in my previous video, and I'll be providing the link of that video in my this video itself only. So you can check out the step 1 and step 2 process in that video. So I'll be showing you the sample application form in which every detail is mentioned as to what you have to fill in every detail. So I'll click on the sample application and we'll look into the sample application form. This is a sample application form of MUNSIFF Magistrate of High Court of Kerala, and you can find all the information that you need to fill in the application form before filling the form itself. So this is a great idea. You can identify all the documents that are required and all the information that is required by you to be filled in this application form. So first information being the personal information, which is very simple. You can fill yourself. Address also you can fill about yourself, and permanent address also can be filled by you. E-contact information can also be filled by you. Citizenship, nationality, marital status, disability details, age relaxation. So, are there any categories in the High Court's website that are available about the EWS, scheduled caste? So you can claim your relaxation as per those categories. Central state government services, also you can click yes or no. So these are the questions that will be asked to you in the application form. Eligibility criteria also will be asked. Recruitment by transfer details also will be asked. So for the recruitment by transfer and what is the recruitment by the other method, I have explained it in my previous video, and you can look for that video in my I button section also. Now I'll be showing the other details that you need to fill in this form. And the part 2 of this form talks about the other details like the place of birth, spouse details, details of parents or guardians, language proficiency. So in any of the languages you know, so you can write over here. You can specify those information here. Qualification also, additional qualification if you were working somewhere, if you have any employment details that need to be filled in the other part of the application form. Now, if you have participated in any of the extracurricular activities, that also you need to mention in this form itself. Also, if you have been practicing in some court or high court itself, then also you need to mention it here. If there is any debarment or disqualification as per the advertisement, then you can mention here. Otherwise, you'll leave the space. Later, you can ask those questions if you have been any employed in state government. Then also you need to mention here, or central government. Then also you have to mention here. So if you were party to any of the criminal or civil suits, then you can fill over here. Details of person who can testify about you or are also given here. So first person who can testify, second person and third person who can testify. And the later part talks about the additional information. So you need to fill the additional information, that also in yes or no format, and after the declaration you can confirm that I affirm, and then your place and date of filling the form. So the form is pretty much simple. All that is required by you to be filled in the form has been given in the sample application form, and I'll provide the link for the sample application form in the description itself. So do check out the sample application form before filling the form. So I hope this video was useful for you guys, and if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you guys.